The forthcoming Garmin Venu 4 is anticipated to retain the visually appealing design of its predecessor, boasting a sleek and sophisticated aesthetic. The watch is expected to feature a circular face, elegantly complemented by a stainless steel bezel, which lends a premium touch to the overall design. A high-quality display and intuitive interface. The Garmin Venu 4 is likely to continue featuring a stunning 1.4-inch AMOLED display, renowned for its vivid colors and high resolution. This ensures exceptional visibility in various lighting conditions, making it an ideal choice for users who require a reliable and readable display. Furthermore, the touchscreen interface, enhanced by intuitive graphical transitions, is expected to remain a key feature, providing users with a seamless and engaging experience. The forthcoming Garmin Venu 4 is anticipated to retain its intuitive 3-button configuration, facilitating enhanced menu navigation and interaction. This design choice enables users to effortlessly access and manipulate various features, ensuring a seamless and efficient experience. Durable construction and versatile design options. The device is expected to feature Corning Gorilla Glass protection, providing exceptional scratch resistance and durability. Additionally, its 50 water resistance rating ensures that the watch can withstand exposure to water, making it an ideal choice for users who engage in aquatic activities. While the overall design may not undergo significant changes, Garmin might introduce new color options and premium materials for the bezel or strap, and continue offering two-size variants to cater to diverse comfort preferences. The forthcoming Garmin Venu 4 is poised to build upon its predecessor's impressive array of features, further solidifying its position as a premier smartwatch. The device is likely to retain the advanced Gen 5 Elevate optical heart sensor, which boasts integrated ECG functionality for comprehensive heart health monitoring, enhanced customization options, and expanded fitness tracking capabilities. The Venu 4 series is anticipated to expand its compatible app ecosystem, providing users with greater customization options and seamless integration with everyday digital tools. Furthermore, the device is expected to continue supporting a wide range of fitness tracking features, including specialized profiles for activities such as hiking, skiing, and wheelchair workouts, catering to diverse user preferences and needs. The forthcoming Garmin Venu 4 is expected to introduce a range of innovative features that enhance user experience and functionality. One notable addition may be an on-device Connect IQ store, facilitating easier app installations and expanding the device's capabilities. Enhanced outdoor recreation profiles and music control. The Venu 4 is likely to maintain its extensive outdoor recreation profiles, catering to the diverse needs of athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. Furthermore, the device may introduce enhanced music control features, including on-the-go playlist creation and downloads, allowing users to seamlessly manage their music libraries. Potential for LTE connectivity and greater independence. Although not confirmed, there is speculation that the Venu May 4th incorporate LTE connectivity, enabling users to receive notifications, stream music, and access online services without the need for a paired smartphone. The forthcoming Garmin Venu 4 is poised to build upon its predecessor's impressive battery life, solidifying its position as a leader in the realm of long-lasting smartwatches. The device is expected to offer up to 14 days of use in standard mode, mirroring the capabilities of the Venu 3. An enhanced always-on display mode for increased convenience. A key area of improvement may lie in the always-on display mode, where the Venu 4 is rumored to surpass the 5-day limit of its predecessor. This enhancement would be particularly beneficial for users who prefer constant display visibility without sacrificing significant battery life, providing them with increased convenience and flexibility. Pricing projections. A potential increase due to enhanced features. Regarding pricing, the Venu series has historically exhibited a gradual increase with each successive iteration. The Garmin Venu May 4th maintain a similar price point to its predecessor, potentially around $449. However, considering the potential introduction of new features and improvements, a slight price increase would not be unexpected, reflecting the enhanced value proposition offered by the device. The forthcoming Garmin Venu 4 is poised to make a significant impact smartly on TCH market, building upon the success of its popular predecessor. With anticipated improvements in design, features, and battery life, the Venu 4 aims to offer a more refined and comprehensive smartwatch experience. To ensure you stay informed about the latest developments in the world of technology, including updates on the Garmin Venu 4, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll gain access to a wealth of informative content, including in-depth analyses, news, and reviews.